Hi guys, it's Zaria here. I'm back with another video for you guys. So we are continuing in the series of obedience. And in this video, in this video, it is about God isn't calling me to run. He's calling me to walk with him. And I feel like this whole series is really just a conviction for me because it really is. Like, in this season, and not even just in this season of life, but for a while. And for a while, I know that God has been calling me to just walk with him, to just be with him. And I feel like, I don't know, I'm like an adventurous person. I want to explore. I want to try new things. I want to do new things. I want to go new places. Like, I have such an adventurous spirit. And right now in this season of life, God is just not calling me to be adventurous. Like, that season happened. Not saying that it won't come back around, but that season has happened. Like, I've explored and traveled and done the fun things and saw the fun things. But I feel like right now God is really calling me to just settle down. And I don't know why this is so hard for me. I don't understand why this is just so hard for me to just let go and just be, to just be with God, because he's calling me to just be with him. And I keep saying, God, I want to just be with you, but I feel like I'm saying, God, I want to be with you, but somewhere else, not here, somewhere else. Yeah. So the Bible verse for today is Micah 6:8, and it says, He has shown you, O man, what is good, and what does the Lord require of you, but to do justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. I know God is calling me to just walk with him, not run. Emphasis on walk. Because God knows I'm trying to run. And I feel like for the last 2 years, we have like hidden years where, or times where God prunes us and God works in us and do a work so deep in us. And I feel like these last 2 years has been like that. These last 2 years, God has been deeply pruning me. And these last 2 years have been slow, heavy, sometimes uncomfortable, but overall I see God's work. I see his hand in everything, and I can see I can see the work that he's doing in me, and I can see that it is so good.